Welcome to Defense Ninja's Women's Self-Defense, where we teach basic self-defense techniques for women that actually work. I spent about 2 hours with a Krav Maga instructor working on some level 1 and level 2 techniques. So it's a long video that I recorded and cut down to a short video. We covered chokes from the front and against the wall. We didn't do back chokes. And we also covered hair grab or hijab grab. So let's go ahead and watch what those entail. Now, we covered several different techniques for each of these attacks. For level 1, which is just escaping, and then level 2, which includes more attacks. So you're going to see both of these elements. All right, let's get started.
You know, there's two ways to go about it. There's the grip with the strike, boom, boom, boom. There's two-handed grip. There's two-handed grip with a groin kick, right? From the side, choke comes on. There's the rip and the strike to the nuts, elbow, hammer fist, boom, boom, boom. And then there's choke from the rear. Step back, groin strike, elbow, hammer fist, boom, 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 boom. Okay. When you do choke from the front, which one are you, how do you do? Just in general.
So I teach them to tuck their chin so they have some more breathing room.
Yeah.
And then typically, because a lot of the strength doesn't usually work, you know, it's pretty strong, even stripping, they don't have it, they're panicking, they're not getting it. So I just teach them getting out of it like that.
For level 1?
For level 1,
okay. So level 1 assumes that you, like same thing for the bear hug, you saw it coming. You have enough time to do that.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So that would make sense. You see it coming, tuck your chin, and then...
Yeah, and then you have the ability to maybe run.
And it's a good point because generally speaking, I'm putting forward momentum on you, so you're able to use that momentum to...
Yeah.
So, do it again. We're going to do it again. This time you should, if you're right, kicking with your right, you should be able to just go. Don't move your feet. You have to kick me. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, this time, one hand halter. Passive. Yeah. Let's take it. One more time.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 Now follow up with a left punch. Right punch, left punch. Do it again. On, and you're really applying it. Here, I'm just rotating on the wall. Watch your thumbs.
Yeah.
You can't do anything.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm not even really using my hand if you think about it. What am I doing? Using my shoulders. You just drop in one shoulder. Now from here, no matter how you're going to teach this, I just ask that you tell them to get the hell away from the wall.
Yeah.
Try that. Try that, see if it works for you. So choke comes on. So I'm gonna break fall. Good. Drop your left shoulder. Keep your shoulders against the wall. Drop, 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 drop. Keep going. Yep. Yeah.
I'm gonna try a couple different things just to see what I can do. So you can give me a lot of pressure, and I'm gonna tuck my chin and then see what I have available.
Okay.
Just kind of fiddle around a little bit, just see what works, what doesn't work, and maybe take it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that, okay, if I'm not attacking. I wonder if that actually works though. The person.
Okay, so I'm gonna put more pressure in.
Right,
so
yes, let's try that.
I'm going to try to make it touch it. It doesn't work on you. How's that?
Yeah, yes, that's it. That's what I want exactly. Yeah.
We're going going that direction. That's fine. I just don't want to run into that.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some pressure in the chair. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go with you.
Yes. Oopsie. Okay. Let's try that again. Go
Yeah.
with me. So see, coming here.
Okay. It's gonna get dicey.
Yeah.
Because if we're gonna play this completely, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. Yeah.
So what happened there? You and I struggled for 3 seconds.
Yeah.
I saw you struggle. If I'm putting you against the wall,
Yeah.
I'm more than a mugger.
Yeah.
I'm more than someone who wants their money.
Right. So it needs to be over in within a few seconds and not give them the opportunity.
The higher level we go in Krav, the more we assume that things are getting much more serious than this a robbery.
Right.
So
It's here.
good.
Okay.
If you're gonna do that, I like that. You did it fast.
Mm.
The moment you felt it come on, you did it.
Okay.
That's great. That works in your favor.
Okay. Yeah, maybe that's a good one for level 1. Okay, let's try with a little bit more pressure,
Yeah.
even though it's level 1, so I can see it. Okay. So it's kind of similar then to the standing choke, and the wall kind of helps you do the same if it's done fast. Okay, my use that for level 1.
I like that. That's cool. Yeah, and your chin is so let's assume that you also couldn't tuck your chin. Now you're really screwed.
Right.
You got 3 seconds before you pass out.
Yeah.
That's level 1.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more pressure on your finger here.
Uh-huh.
And especially over your curl, ready?
Uh-huh.
That's scary.
Yeah. But that still took a little bit longer than I would have liked.
Yep. You're level 1.
Mm-hmm.
It seems you saw it and you did the technique.
Mm-hmm.
Which is it. Level 2. You can make the assumption that you still saw it. You tried to get out of it, but it didn't work.
Mm.
So, what I'm saying is,
Right.
I'm fighting back more.
More.
What are you gonna do? Oh, you're chin's tucked, so this is level 2 now. But
Okay.
you still saw it coming, but now
Yeah.
you're trying to do that escape.
Yep.
And
Now now I have attacks. Yeah, if my chin is tucked, I think that would still work. So I do this, try to do the same thing as level 1, get out of it and now attack it. So it loosens the grip, gives me a few more seconds to do more things. The challenge is my chin is not tucked. I don't know about that one yet.
yeah.
That would be a tough one.
So ruminate on that for
Yeah,
now.
I'm
And
gonna-
know that
yeah.
you have an option here.
Option there, yeah. I know
But
it
it's
will work for
hard for
half my
students.
students. Oh my God, a lot of them have shoulder injury. The bodies don't move that way.
Yeah.
So I'll think about that one. But at least I have some options on the choke against the wall.
Yeah. 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 Right, 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 right.
Oh yeah, oh better, yeah, it's okay.
Right, right. Yay! Hey, you're on something here. I like that.
Yeah,
we, don't
elbows.
we don't do that one in Krav. The only one we do is, and I do believe that we could improve on that.
Yeah, definitely like the turn, because that's more available than
Yeah.
this for a lot of students. They don't have this as much.
Yeah.
That kind of bit.
You don't have this and this.
And
That's
this.
hard.
That's hard, that's it, yep.
But here, imagine you just driving your shoulder into the ground. And then get the hell out.
Yeah. Okay, that'll be fun.
That's cool.